Hi everybody, welcome to my Penny Go Boom. This is a ticker analysis on IDNG. Alright, so each one of these candles represents 1 day of price action, and you can see here today that the stock made a really nice little move here, up 56%. So, on Monday we had this really nice big move here, which was, I believe, over like 1100% move at its high. Then yesterday came, and everyone was up in arms, and the stock came down. But you know what? It did put in a higher low, and that's pretty much the name of the game. Then today, we opened up higher than the close, and the stock continued to push up. So overall, the stock is looking, it's looking pretty good right now. Let's take a look at some of the day indicators here. So this green line right here, this is the 5-day simple moving average, and this purple one right here, this is the 10-day simple moving average. A lot of times when the 5 is above the 10, that indicates a short to medium term uptrend. And this is the nice spread in between. So I'm very happy with the way this looks, with the 5 being over the 10-day simple moving average. So let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of what happened during the day here, intraday. Let me bring it a little closer here for you guys. Okay, great. So, a little bit more. There we go. Okay, great. So each one of these candles represents 15 minutes of action. So you can see here, starting this dotted line, this is today's action right here. I'll just go ahead and make it. There we go. So you can see here the stock, with the 5 being over the 10, you can see how it uptrends here with the 5 over the 10. Nicely. It broke through 0121 and it came nearly up to this resistance here at 0147. But it tried once, twice, kind of didn't make it through. So and the stock did, a lot of the intraday support, happened here at 0108. As you can see here, the stock, came down a few times, tested some of these support levels and bounced off of them nicely. This support was at 09, and it came up. We ended up closing at 0133. So now this 0108 has been a support. So going into tomorrow, we got to make sure we can try and break this red line right here, the 012. Then after that one, we can start talking about, I can actually move this down to like right here. Basically I'll break this 012, and then after that we need to go to this 014 line. But all in all, this was a really, pretty solid day. The only thing I want to point out to everyone is that the volume today wasn't as heavy as, the liquidity wasn't as good as something maybe I would like. On Monday we traded 110 million shares, and yesterday I believe it was 44 million, and today it was about 18 million. So the volume is going to need to pick back up. But a lot of the volume today, as I looked, did happen at the ask, and the chart is trending up nicely. So that's something positive to look forward to. So again, the MACD, let's go back to the day chart. On the day chart, you can see the MACD is turning up and actually breaking out pretty nicely here, so I'm very happy with that. The RSI, it's still in the zone here. It's not too high. It's at 69, so that's nothing to worry about yet. All in all, if the stock can continue to trade the way it traded today, and the volume can pick up, this is looking fairly good. So again, congratulations everyone today. This is a nice move here today. Hopefully we can keep this going with all the indicators pointing up tomorrow. Hopefully this is something we can keep going. So congratulations, up 56% today. There's I don't like to talk about this kind of stuff on the technical side, but there's rumors of a PR coming out like there always are on the OTC, but there did not seem to be a lot of dumping today, and VNDN and the big MMs weren't really around. I didn't see, there's no way to prove this, but I didn't see a lot of diluting happening at all, for what at least I think could be. So again, tomorrow IDNG, all indicators 5 over 10, everything looks good. MACD up, RSI looks good. Held some good support levels. Just got to break through some of those resistances tomorrow, and then we'll come back then and update the chart. All right, everyone. Thank you.